Let's try to fly this thing. For a while, and it did. It's cool. Good morning, evening, or afternoon. I hope you're staying healthy. I hope you're dealing with COVID and getting outside 6 feet apart. I got outside today. I didn't go metal detecting, which is, I mean, not surprising. It's in the middle of winter, but I got out and I got to fly my drone today, which is awesome. I got outside in the cold. I'll explain that later. I got to fly my DJI Phantom 3 Advanced. Outside and I didn't crash it for the first time in like a couple of weeks. I only had one crash like a couple of weeks ago, but it's taken me time to get back to the swing of things, not get that panic feeling. But yeah, it's been fun. I had a good time today. It was a good little test flight to make sure I was doing everything right, to make sure, you know, I'd gone through the flight steps correctly, and make sure I did everything right. What I did learn from the crash is, always learn from your mistakes, is that you need to let the battery warm up. So I turned it on inside. I'm at my college right now, KVCC. Fortunately, the college lets me do this. So I brought in my drone and I turned it on and I got it calibrated. I got everything set up, and I let the battery warm up. I took it outside and I let the battery and sensors get kind of used to the cold, because it's negative, or not negative, not yet, I hope not. It's 12 degrees and it's 2 degrees with the wind chill. So it's cold. That's all you need to know. It's cold. There's a little bit of snow on the ground, but it is frosty to the point where I had to come in and let my hands warm up. So it was fun, and I got some decent footage. I flew out past my comfort zone. I let it go past, you know, over 200. I forgot how long the distance was, but it was further than I'd done before. So that's all that matters. And so I'm learning, you know, I'm not a professional. I'm not even an amateur. I'm just your basic drone enthusiast, maybe hobbyist, but I had so much fun, mainly dig out. Let's try to fly this thing.